age-wise that not to get enough. Okay, let's see you do a stop. Right there. Talk to him. Tell him what a good boy. That's it. All right, ask him to go. Let the reins go forward. There you go. And now make your turn, whatever you're going to do. You can walk or trot, whatever you want to do. I just want to make sure that all the things are in the right place. His breeching's a little loose, but it won't hurt anything. He's not doing
Yeah, it needs to be tightened up.
Yeah. All right, let's try a backup at some point. The next time you stop, I want you to back him. Next time you stop, try a backup. At least 3 or 4 steps. That's it. Same as a saddle horse. Keep asking. There. He's going. More. More. Keep it up. Tell him to back. More. There. Now he's in gear. Okay, that was better. At least he tried. Okay, you can go. Yeah, she was wanting to shake the reins, and I don't want her to get in the habit of doing that. So now I want you to tip your whip so it's aimed out over him, not behind you. It has to be ready when you carry it in any show. It must be up and kind of aimed over his body.
Point it like that.
Yeah.
Other way, that way.
Over the horse. Yeah. That's better. Because you have to have it ready. It's just, you know, you have to be ready with it. If it's clear back here, then you've got to go like this, and then you're messing up the rein. If you're here, you can go like that without moving your hand very much. Okay. Go. There you go. And you can use the word walk. They learn the different words, walk, trot, and canter, just like a horse. So, yeah, she's doing really well. I was going to harness it too, but it's too much to do a lesson and do my horse at the same time. So we'll just let it at this. But the arena's a good place for her to be.
Yeah, this is great.
Mm-hmm. So she got caught up on that fence. Same place where I had my boo-boo. The same exact spot. Oh yeah, well that's cool.
So it's actually live. So I sent the information to her mom, so her mom can watch these live sessions. And you and I can work with her without.
Okay, go into the middle like you were lining up for at a show.
Well, we can go out there now and work with her.
And just stop right there.
Yeah. And so I don't have to worry about filming.
No. This is all good. Okay, we're going to be the judge of the sport now. So your horse, depending on how many is in the line, is going to have to stand really nice and quiet.
feel the different trots, but don't let him lope. If he lopes, ask him to come back. But I want you to feel the different trot speeds.
So she took his tail out, and she groomed him, and she groomed Nova.
Good.
And the other one needs grooming too.
Alright, I seem to have lost my signal.
Lost something?
Okay, we are.
We have Wi-Fi, so it shouldn't be a problem.
So now it's can't find her.
Are you done? Well, you
Here,
can
let's,
decide if you're done or not.
Go ahead and stop it for a second.
See if she wants you to do anything else.